In this EXModel tutorial, I will demonstrate the duplication function under the 2D Sketch tool. To create a 2D sketch, click the 2D Sketch button. You can adjust the height of slicing plane by click and hold left mouse button and drag the slicing plane. Once you're satisfied, you can hit the create button to create the outline of current slice. For the demonstration purpose, I'll create a sketch that is a little bit complex. First, I'll use the extract primitive tool to extract the circle from the outline. Then I will use the add rectangle tool to create a rectangle on top of the circle. Next, I will use the trim tool to trim the lines inside the circle. I will press and hold the Alt key on the keyboard, click and hold the left mouse button to select the lines inside the circle. Then I'll use the modify tool to box the sketch that I want to select and duplicate. Next, I'll use this duplication tool to make duplications. By default, it will create duplications linearly on the x-axis. I can change the number of instances. And I can also adjust the spacing between duplications here. I can also adjust the spacing between duplications by click and hold the left mouse button and drag the arrow handle on the sketch. I can also check the flip box to flip the direction where it makes duplicates. You can also use the arrow handle and drag to change the direction. Notice that the box will be unchecked. You can also make duplication based on the second direction. You can by clicking this box. By default, it will create duplication based on the y-axis. You may also change the number of instances for the duplication, and also you can change the spacing between duplication. You can also drag the arrow handles to adjust the spacing. You can also flip the direction where it creates duplication, or by simply checking the flip box. Next, I will draw two random lines. So I will select the sketch that I want to make duplicates and use the duplicate tool. You can also pick your line where it makes duplicates. So here, it makes duplicates based on the line I just drew. You may also adjust the spacing between duplication and change the number of instances. You can also change the direction. You may also make duplications based on the second direction. You can pick the line you just drew. You can change the number of instances and change the spacing between each duplication. You can also check the flip box to flip the direction where it makes duplicates. Also, you can make duplication circularly based on the origin by default. The origin is the coordinate system you can see by checking the coordinate system option here. You may also pick your own origin by clicking the points on your sketch. You can also change the origin by changing the numbers in those two boxes. You can change the number of instances. And also you can choose the angles to fill. It will create 20 duplicates in a range of 180 degrees. You can also check the flip box to flip the rotation. You can also use the retain original orientation option to retain the orientation of original sketch. Once you're satisfied with your duplicated sketch, you can hit Accept to create a duplicate sketch. Notice the duplicate sketch is an individual sketch that you can modify individually. You can select the sketch, you hit the delete button to delete the sketch. You can also click the modify tool to change the individual sketch. Notice that the outer duplication will not change